Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Bamboo Studio crashing on Mac OS after update, stop crashes and relaunch fix. Fix 1. Delete the corrupted network plugin. Completely quit Bamboo Studio, then open Finder, then press Command plus Shift plus G and go to slash library slash application support slash Bamboo Studio slash plugins slash delete the libambu underscore networking dot dylib file. Then launch Bamboo Studio again and when prompted allow the app to download and install a new network plugin. Fix 2. Reset the configuration folder. Close Bamboo Studio, open Finder and press Command plus Shift plus G. Now navigate to slash library slash application support slash Bamboo Studio slash. Locate the user folders. Its name may contain a random string of characters and move it to your desktop as a backup. Now delete the remaining Bamboo Studio folder. Launch Bamboo Studio so it creates a fresh configuration folder. If the app opens normally, close it and copy your backup settings back into the new Bamboo Studio slash user slash directory. Fix 3. Refresh the user interface. Graphics rendering or a corrupted window layout can occasionally cause Bamboo Studio to freeze or crash after an update. If the window becomes blank or unresponsive, minimize Bamboo Studio to the dock and restore it. If the interface still behaves incorrectly, select View, then go to Enter Full Screen, then Exit Full Screen. If a specific project causes crashes, open the file in another editor, save it again if needed, and then re-import it into Bamboo Studio. Fix 4. Perform a clean reinstall. Move Bamboo Studio from the application folder to the trash. Open Finder and press Command plus Shift plus G. Delete slash library slash applications support slash Bamboo Studio slash then navigate to slash library slash preferences slash delete com dot bamboo dot bamboo studio dot plist. Empty the trash, download and install the latest macOS version of Bamboo Studio from official GitHub releases page. Fix 5. Roll back to a previous stable version. Remove the current Bamboo Studio installation and its support files using the clean reinstall steps above. Visit the Bamboo Studio release page on GitHub, download the previous stable macOS.dmg release, install the older version and launch Bamboo Studio. Now disable automatic updates until a newer stable release becomes available. Thanks for watching and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.